जब तक तुम यहाँ आओगे बहुत देर हो जाएगी। By the time you come here, it will be too late. By the time you come here, it will be too late. ऐसे कैसे तुम उसे मार सकते हो? How come you can beat him? How come you can beat him? मैं कॉफ़ी पीने के बजाय चाय पीऊँगा। I will have tea instead of coffee. I will have tea instead of coffee. वह अपना जॉब खोने से डरता है। He is afraid of losing his job. He is afraid of losing his job. यह खाना मुझे मेरे माँ के खाने की याद दिलाता है। This food reminds me of my mother's food. This food reminds me of my mother's food. मैं दवाई खाते खाते थक गया हूँ। I am tired of taking medicine. I am tired of taking medicine. जब तक तुम घर पहुँचोगे खाना तैयार हो जाएगा। By the time you reach home, dinner will be ready. By the time you reach home, dinner will be ready. मैं खाना खाते हुए फिल्म देख रहा हूँ। I am watching movie while eating food. I am watching movie while eating food. तुम्हें कैसे भी करके अंग्रेज़ी सीखना होगा। You have to learn English by hook or by crook. You have to learn English by hook or by crook. मैं आपसे बहस करते करते थक गया हूँ। I am tired of arguing with you. I am tired of arguing with you. उसका चेहरा मुझे मेरे दोस्त की याद दिलाता है। Her face reminds me of my friend. Her face reminds me of my friend. ध्यान से नीचे ना गिरे। Be careful not to fall down. Be careful not to fall down. समय बर्बाद करने के बजाय हमें अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहिए। Instead of wasting time, we should learn English. Instead of wasting time, we should learn English. आपको ये परीक्षा किसी भी तरह पास करनी पड़ेगी। You will have to pass this exam by hook or by crook. You will have to pass this exam by hook or by crook. जब तक बॉस ऑफिस पहुंचेंगे मैं सारा काम कर लूँगा। By the time boss reach at office, I will finish all work. By the time boss reach at office, I will finish all work. आपको किसी भी तरह इस समस्या को सुलझाना होगा। You have to fix this problem by hook or by crook. You have to fix this problem by hook or by crook. मुझे पैसे की सख्त ज़रूरत है। I am in a dire need of money. I am in a dire need of money. उसका भाई शराबी है। His brother is alcoholic. His brother is alcoholic. मैं इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते अटक जाता हूँ। I fumble while speaking English. I fumble while speaking English. तुम बड़े चिड़चिड़े स्वभाव के हो। You are very short tempered. You are very short tempered. हमारे तो तोते उड़ गए। We were utterly non-pleased. We were utterly non-pleased. हम एक दूसरे के यहाँ आते जाते नहीं हैं। We are not in visiting terms. We are not in visiting terms. मामला बिगड़ गया। The matter took a serious turn. The matter took a serious turn. आमना कपड़ा सिलाई कर रही थी। आमना was stitching clothes. आमना was stitching clothes. जो तुमने मेरे कंजूस होने के बारे में कहा था उस बात को वापस लो। Take back what you said about me being stingy. Take back what you said about me being stingy. हमारे बीच ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। There is nothing as such between us. There is nothing as such between us. बर्दाश्त की भी हद होती है। There is a limit to how much one can tolerate. There is a limit to how much one can tolerate. ऊपर के रूम से बोतल लेके आओ। Bring the bottle from the room upstairs. Bring the bottle from the room upstairs. इस गाड़ी का पिछले 10 साल से इस्तेमाल हो रहा है। This car has been used for the past 10 years. This car has been used for the past 10 years. बॉबी ने मुझे अच्छा खाना खिलाया जो उसकी मम्मी ने पकाया था। Bobby made me eat the delicious food which his mom had cooked. Bobby made me eat the delicious food which his mom had cooked. जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा वे जाने वाले थे। They were about to leave when I arrived there. They were about to leave when I arrived there. राहुल ने उससे मुझे कुछ पैसे दिलवाए। Rahul made me get some money from him. Rahul made me get some money from him. यहाँ से 1 घंटे का रास्ता है। It's an hour driving from here. It's an hour driving from here. इतने सारे पैसे तुम्हारे पास कैसे हैं? How do you have this much money? How do you have this much money? इस लकड़ी को छोटा कर दो। Shorten this stick. इस लकड़ी को छोटा कर दो। Shorten this stick. मेरे सामने अगर मगर मत किया करो। Don't do if and buts in front of me. Don't do if and buts in front of me. तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? Who is there behind you? तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? Who is there behind you? वो मेरी मुँहबोली बहन है। She is my shorn sister. She is my shorn sister. मैं तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था। I was standing in front of you. I was standing in front of you. मेरी शर्ट सिकड़ी हुई है। My shirt is crumpled. My shirt is crumpled. मेरे सामने अकड़ मत दिखाओ। Don't show airs in front of me. Don't show airs in front of me. मैं इसका आदी नहीं होना चाहता। I don't want to be addicted to it. I don't want to be addicted to it. उसकी सोच तुम्हारी सोच से ठीक उल्टी है। His thinking is opposite yours. His thinking is opposite yours. राज तुम्हारे फ़ोन में झांक रहा है। राज इज़ स्नॉपिंग अराउंड योर फ़ोन। राज इज़ स्नॉपिंग अराउंड योर फ़ोन। मैं जिम्मेदारियों से कभी जी नहीं चुराता। I never shirk the responsibilities. I never shirk the responsibilities. नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा। A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. इस फूल की खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है। The fragrance of this flower is very nice. The fragrance of this flower is very nice. मैं बाज़ार जाने ही वाला था, इतने में तुम आ गए। I was about to go to market. Meantime you came. I was about to go to market. Meantime you came. उसने मेरी बातों को झुठलाने की कोशिश की। He tried to belie my words. He tried to belie my words. जो तुम कहते हो वह उसका उल्टा करता है। He does opposite of what you say. He does opposite of what you say. चिढ़ने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। There is no need to get cheesed off. There is no need to get cheesed off. उस नदी के पार क्या है? What is there beyond that river? What is there beyond that river? मेरा घर तुम्हारी दुकान के ठीक सामने है. My house is just opposite to your shop. My house is just opposite to your shop. वह आजकल बड़ी मौज में है. He is making thriving these days. He is making thriving these days. भले आदमी जल्दी ही ईश्वर को प्यारे हो जाते हैं. Whom God loves die young. Whom God loves die young. तुम मेरे ठीक सामने बैठोगे. You will sit opposite to me. You will sit opposite to me. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं. It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. झारखंड के दूसरे शहरों की तुलना में जमशेदपुर अच्छा है. जमशेदपुर इज़ बेटर एज़ कम्पेयर्ड विथ अदर सिटीज़ ऑफ झारखंड. जमशेदपुर इज़ बेटर एज़ कम्पेयर्ड विथ अदर सिटीज़ ऑफ झारखंड. उसने मुझे साफ मना कर दिया. He gave me a flat refusal. He gave me a flat refusal. दम है तो छू कर दिखाओ. Show by touching if you have power. Show by touching if you have power. आजकल स्वार्थ का ज़माना है. Selfishness is common these days. Selfishness is common these days. चूंकि वह तैयार नहीं था, हमने उसे छोड़ दिया. As he was not ready, we left him. As he was not ready, we left him. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी. You spoke out my mind. You spoke out my mind. तपती धूप में खेलने मत जाओ. Do not go to play in scorching heat. Do not go to play in scorching heat. मैंने उसे उस समय देखा जब वह ट्रेन से उतर रही थी. I saw her as she was getting down the train. I saw her as she was getting down the train. वह ऐसे चल रहा था जैसे कि वह शराबी हो. He was walking as if he were drunkard. He was walking as if he were drunkard. मेरी एड़ी में सूजन है. I have got a swollen ankle. I have got a swollen ankle. मुझे शर्मिंदा होकर कहना पड़ रहा है कि मैंने उसका घर तक पीछा किया. I am ashamed to say I followed him home. I am ashamed to say I followed him home. कमज़ोर कभी माफ़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. क्षमा ताकतवर व्यक्ति की विशेषता है. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. मेरी आँखों में पानी आ रहा है. My eyes are watery. My eyes are watery. लगता है मेरे पैर की मांसपेशियाँ खिंच गई हैं. I think I have pulled a muscle in my leg. I think I have pulled a muscle in my leg. वह परिवर्तन बनो जो तुम दुनिया में देखना चाहते हो. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. My stomach hurts. मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. My stomach hurts. जो आग लगी है, क्या तुमने उसके बारे में सुना? Did you hear about the fire? Did you hear about the fire? आज का दिन कितना सुंदर है ना? Beautiful day, isn't it? Beautiful day, isn't it? क्या आज कुछ मज़ेदार हुआ? Did anything interesting happen today? Did anything interesting happen today? तुम यहाँ कितने समय से काम कर रहे हो? How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? आज के मैच के बारे में तुम्हें क्या लगता है, कौन जीतेगा? What about the match today? Who is going to win? What about the match today? Who is going to win? काम के बाद तुम क्या करने की सोच रहे हो? What are you planning to do after work? What are you planning to do after work? क्या तुमने आज का फुटबॉल मैच देखा? Did you see the football match today? Did you see the football match today? क्या तुम वीकेंड का इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? Looking forward to the weekend? Looking forward to the weekend? आज तुम काफ़ी व्यस्त लग रहे हो. You seem busy all day. You seem busy all day. इस हड़ताल के बारे में तुम्हारा क्या सोचना है? What do you think about this strike? What do you think about this strike? लगता है आज बारिश होने वाली है. It looks like it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain. अगर तुम थक गए हो तो कॉफ़ी पी सकते हो. You can have a cup of coffee if you are tired. You can have a cup of coffee if you are tired. मैं तो तेरे रग रग से वाकिफ़ हूँ. I know you inside out. I know you inside out. आज के मौसम के बारे में आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think about the weather today? What do you think about the weather today? क्या तुमने आज की न्यूज़ पढ़ी? Did you catch the news today? Did you catch the news today? आज सूर्य कितना चमकदार है. Sun is so bright today. Sun is so bright today. अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो? What if something happens to me? What if something happens to me? मैंने आपका क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? तुम तो फालतू में इधर उधर घूमते रहते हो. You keep roaming here and there for no reason. You keep roaming here and there for no reason. तुम्हारे लिए दरवाजे हमेशा खुले हैं. The doors are always open for you. The doors are always open for you. तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैंने उसे फ़ोन कर दिया था. I had called her before you came. I had called her before you came. मानना पड़ेगा, आपने कर दिखाया. I have to say you did it. I have to say you did it. टीचर का काम होता है पढ़ाना. Teachers are meant to teach. Teachers are meant to teach. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. I am speechless. मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. I am speechless. मुझे मनाना नहीं आता. I don't know how to persuade. मुझे मनाना नहीं आता. I don't know how to persuade. मैं तुम्हारे रास्ते में अब नहीं आऊँगा. Now I will never come to your way. Now I will never come to your way. मैं आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ. I welcome you from the bottom of my heart. I welcome you from the bottom of my heart. मैं तुम्हारे भावनाओं को ठेस नहीं पहुँचाना चाहता. I don't want to hurt your feelings. I don't want to hurt your feelings. यह मकान किराए के लिए खाली है. This house is to let. This house is to let. अंग्रेजी सीखने में टाइम लगता है. It takes time to learn English. It takes time to learn English. डरपोक कहीं का. You are chicken hearted. डरपोक कहीं का. You are chicken hearted. ये फ़ोन मुझे बहुत महंगा पड़ा. This phone cost me like a bomb. This phone cost me like a bomb. क्या आपको बाइक चलानी नहीं आती? Don't you know how to ride a bike? Don't you know how to ride a bike? हमारे पास अहंकार नहीं होना चाहिए. We should not have an ego. We should not have an ego. तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? तुम वहाँ कर क्या रहे थे? What were you doing there? क्या तुम्हें कम सुनाई देता है? Are you hard of hearing? Are you hard of hearing? तुम्हारी तनख्वाह कब मिलती है? When do you receive the salary? तुम्हारी तनख्वाह कब मिलती है? When do you receive the salary? मैं उससे पहले कभी नहीं मिला हूँ. I have never met him before. I have never met him before. मैं अपने छोटे भाई को शर्ट पहना रहा हूँ. I am making my younger brother wear the shirt. I am making my younger brother wear the shirt. तुम्हें उससे ऐसा बर्ताव नहीं करना चाहिए था. You should not have behaved like this with him. You should not have behaved like this with him. कितनी पुरानी बात लगती है. It seems to be a long way back. It seems to be a long way back. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. Hard work pays. मेहनत का फल मीठा होता है. Hard work pays. मुझे बैठने के लिए कुर्सी दो. Give me a chair to sit on. Give me a chair to sit on. आपका स्वभाव और व्यवहार काफ़ी हद तक आपकी परवरिश पर निर्भर करता है. Your nature and behavior largely depend on your upbringing. Your nature and behavior largely depend on your upbringing. तुमने किताब उल्टी पकड़ रखी है. You have held the book upside down. You have held the book upside down. तुम फ़ोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे? Why were you not picking up the phone? तुम फ़ोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे? Why were you not picking up the phone? जब मैंने उसे पीटा तब वह गाली देने लगा. When I beat him, he began to abuse me. When I beat him, he began to abuse me. मैं बहुत पढ़ता था ताकि अच्छे नंबर ला पाऊँ. I used to study a lot so as to score good marks. I used to study a lot so as to score good marks. तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया. You messed with him for no reason. You messed with him for no reason. क्या मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करूं? Shall I call you after some time? Shall I call you after some time? मेरा ज़मीर इजाज़त नहीं देता. My conscience doesn't permit. My conscience doesn't permit. तुमने मुझे सोचने तक नहीं दिया. You don't even let me think. You don't even let me think. हम दाईं ओर खड़े थे. We were standing to the right. हम दाईं ओर खड़े थे. We were standing to the right. जब मैच खत्म हुआ तब सभी लोग स्टेडियम से बाहर चले गए. When the match finished, all the people went out of the stadium. When the match finished, all the people went out of the stadium. समय के साथ चलना बड़ा मुश्किल है. It is very difficult to pace with the time. It is very difficult to pace with the time. तुम्हारे सोने से पहले मैं घर आ चुका हूँगा. I will have come home before you sleep. I will have come home before you sleep. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में हर एक बात जानता हूँ. I know every ins and outs about you. I know every ins and outs about you. वह अपनी बहन से बहुत जलती है. She is jealous of her sister. She is jealous of her sister. आपको अंदाज़ा भी नहीं है यह सुनकर कितनी राहत मिली है. You have no idea what a relief it is to hear that. You have no idea what a relief it is to hear that. अंत भला तो सब भला. All's well that ends well. All's well that ends well. खाली दिमाग शैतान की दुकान है. An idle mind is devil's workshop. An idle mind is devil's workshop. चिंता करने को एक चीज़ कम हुई. That's one less thing to worry about. That's one less thing to worry about. क्या तकदीर का खेल है. What a stroke of luck. क्या तकदीर का खेल है. What a stroke of luck. उसने अपने पाप का प्रायश्चित किया. He has atoned for his sin. He has atoned for his sin. गुस्सा करना कमज़ोरी की निशानी है. To get angry is to show weakness. To get angry is to show weakness. तुम्हारे बाल झड़ चुके हैं. You had suffered a hair fall. You had suffered a hair fall. मैंने जो भी किया उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. मुझे माफ़ कर दो. I regret what I did. Please forgive me. I regret what I did. Please forgive me. इतना रूड होने के लिए मुझे माफ़ कर देना. Pardon me for being so rude. Pardon me for being so rude. फ़ोन ना करने के लिए मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I sincerely apologize for not calling earlier. I sincerely apologize for not calling earlier. मैंने जो भी कहा उसके लिए मैं कसूरवार हूँ. आशा करता हूँ आप उसे दिल से नहीं लगाएंगे. I feel extremely guilty about what I said. Hope you did not mind it. I feel extremely guilty about what I said. Hope you did not mind it. यह बहुत बुरा हुआ कि आपको कंपनी छोड़नी पड़ेगी. It's too bad that you will have to quit the company. It's too bad that you will have to quit the company. वे समझदार लड़कियां हैं. They are sensible girls. They are sensible girls. इन दस्तावेज़ों को अलमारी में रख दो. Keep these documents in the cupboard. Keep these documents in the cupboard. मुझे सिखाओ कि तुम इसे कैसे करते हो. Teach me how you do it. Teach me how you do it. कैसे कहूँ कि मेरा फ़ोन खो गया है. How do I say that I have lost my mobile? How do I say that I have lost my mobile? क्या कोई मेरी मदद कर सकता है. Can somebody help me? Can somebody help me? आप हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं. Why aren't you coming with us? Why aren't you coming with us?